So her real problem is she has literally a diet that is deficient in what it takes to repair and maintain her skin. That's it. That's the problem to solve. And of course, you guys have heard this before. Probably her best bet would be pig ears. That would solve the skin problem. So in other words, she has not presented with any kind of joint problem. She just has a skin problem. So pig ears are excellent for that. And I would eat maybe 2 or 3 pig ears a day, daily. And then I would do it for 2 weeks. Now I say pig ears, but honestly you have to eat, some rice and some vegetables and lots of water. Make it a soup. Yes, that'll solve the problem.